Hey, hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to charge your battery, as my battery here is missing because I have put my battery in charge. Because due to lockdown, I think most of your bikes have been issue in battery. So I'll show you how to charge your battery in your home. There are two methods. I'm using the first method, so just check it out. So friends, here as you can see, I have connected a wire from there. This is actually my inverter. This is my home inverter. So you can do one thing. If you're having an inverter in your home, you can connect the both terminal, that negative and positive. So as you can see, from positive I have connected to the my bike battery. Here is a positive, and the same as from negative to negative. So actually I have put this yesterday night. Usually you can do the minimum 2 to 3 hours is enough to charge this battery, from because this is actually a big heavy battery. As you can see, it's 180 ampere battery. So you can use this method, and there is another method I'll show you. Okay, before that, let's check this battery, whether this battery is charged or not. I'll remove these two wires, and I'll check with this wire whether the battery is charged or not. So as you can see, I have connected one end in this battery is positive, and I'm going to check this. Let's see whether this is charged or not. Oh, damn. So the battery is fully charged. Actually, I don't have a voltmeter to check the voltage. So this is a Desi Jugaad. You can check, but don't put your finger on this because you have I think screw is there. So better you screw it and check like this, because safety is very important. The battery is fully charged. So almost the work is done. So I'll show you another method. You can use the battery, car battery, to charge your bike battery. Let's see. So as you can see, first you need to open your car bonnet. So there is a battery. I'll show you. So this is going to be something like jump start, but you can do one thing. So we have the minimal current required to start your self motor in your bike. So you can do the same thing what we have did in the inverter battery. You can connect the same terminal to your battery. You can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes or half an hour. But before that, you make sure that you have to switch on your ignition of your car. Why? Because then this battery will get drained off. So this is another method. If you have any doubt, friends, you can comment down in below in my YouTube channel. I'll show you. Let's see in the next video. I'll show you how to start this bike, whether this bike is starting or not. Cheers to all, guys.